everybody, it's your girl. I'm back again with another video. Let's try it, let's test it. But we're gonna test out this ultrasonic diffuser. If you don't know, I got this from Aldi. When they had that mega sale, I got this for $3. Cannot beat it. $3. As you see, it has 2 mist modes, white LED lights, auto shut off, 100 ml capacity. Essential oils is not included, as well as it has a cord. So yeah, here is some of the little instructions on the back of it. That's what the box looked like, some of the features. So yes, y'all, let's try this thing out. Super excited to try this out because if y'all don't know, I have a diffuser, which is this one, that I paid like $50 for this thing. So that's the one I normally use, and it has different colors and everything, but I haven't used it in a while, so to get this for $3, it's a steal. Hopefully you were able to grab one from Aldi. Okay, so these are all the things that come with it. As you see, this is like a refill container. You know, add water to it so you could put it inside of there. The actual unit has those succulent plants at the top. As you do see, the little plastic is where the steam comes out. So yeah, that's what it looks like. As you do see, it's actually really pretty, and it comes with the cord. So these are all 3 of the items that's in the box. So what do? You twist the bottom to open it up, and you get this, and then you open this part up, and then that's the little cup part where you put the water as well as the essential oil in, and then you put the lid back on it. Yes, you plug it up from the bottom. That's the light button, and then that's the mist. Has 2 different modes. Okay, this week at Hobby Lobby, they have a lot of their candles and essential oils for 50% off. So I did go and I bought some more because I actually already have a whole lot of essential oils, but I wanted to try some new ones. So let me show y'all what I got. I got Uplift, Patchouli. I got this one so I could blend with other essential oils. Calm and cedarwood. Again, I bought this one so I could blend it with other essential oils. Price is like $7, I believe. Yes, $7 is the regular price. They were 50% off, so yeah, $3.50. Can't beat it. Wasn't bad at all. And then some of my other ones, I have peppermint. This one is lavender, is rose. So those are some of the other ones. So you just plug that in the bottom. We're gonna open the top. You wanna, it says fill it all the way up to 100 mils, which is, I'm gonna add the water up to that point. Then we're gonna pour it inside of here. As you can see on the inside of it, it do have that max. So you wanna fill it up to the max. And I believe it will go for 4 hours. I'm gonna go with Calm. I don't know if I said that or not. And it says you're supposed to use 5 drops. We're gonna see if we could do 5 drops. Sometimes it's a little hard to do. That was probably more than 5. So now we're gonna put this lid back on it. And put this back on it. And then we're gonna turn it on. Okay, it's on. Oh, it's already. Wow, that was quick. You already see the steam. I don't know if y'all can see it. The steam is already coming out. Wow, that was fast. Wow, that was really quick. You get that little mist going. That actually smells really good. Got the green light. Also has that light on the inside. I don't really like that light. As you see, it kind of goes up and down. I don't really like that light because it makes it look like really cheap looking. You know, like it's not a lot of rocks in there. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to add more of these little flowers on the inside of it. But yes, y'all, that's what it looks like. And it is cool to the touch. It's not hot at all. Wow, that smells so good. Really, really nice. So, do I think this was worth $3? Yes, yes, yes. Hopefully, you were able to grab one of these diffusers. Oh my goodness, this smells so good, y'all. This is really, really nice. Okay, the two modes. The green mean it will just continuously steam. Yeah. So after green, you get red, which it'll go for a couple of minutes and then it'll turn off. I'm gonna show y'all if you can see the steam. It's going. Seems like it goes for maybe 2 minutes and then it'll shut off for 2 minutes, and it's supposed to do that up to 8 hours, whereas the continuous will continue to throw mist for 4 hours. And then after red is off. So you get green, red, and then off. And then the other button is the light, which I don't like that light. White, and I think that's like has like a dimmer on it. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it'll go bright and then it'll dim down, then it'll go bright again, and then the last one is just the white. It just stays white. Look at that, y'all. It's cool to the touch. You don't have to worry about burning yourself. There's no heat. It's really good at nighttime, right before you go to bed. You want to do some essential oils to just kind of calm down and relax yourself before you go to bed. This is really, really good for that. Highly, highly recommend this, y'all. I'm so glad I got this. Even though, like I said, I have that other one over here. This one more than likely will go in my dining room area. So this is a major, major go. Hopefully you were able to find this. If you wasn't, you know, Aldi normally always have these. Every once in a while they'll bring these back, and I believe they're like, I believe these are $20 regular price. So getting it for the $3 was a come up. So yes, y'all, this is a go. Don't forget to leave me some comments. Let me know, do you grab one of these ultrasonic diffusers? Or do you just have a different brand? You use a diffuser. Leave that down in the comments. What is your favorite essential oil? Let me know that in the comments. Also, like I said, this week at Hobby Lobby, they have a lot of their candles. Anything associated with candles or warmers, they're on 50% sale this week. So if you're looking for a lamp warmer, this is the week to grab it. So yeah, leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.